give like a bit of a lap before I go and get the wire. I'll walk you through a couple of things I've done on the on Grover. Apart from being a 250R and not the F, I chose the R because it's got a longer service interval, about 10,000 Ks, but I still do it around about 5,000–6,000 Ks. Change the oil and all that myself, but the shims, they reckon they get done every 10, so I'm happy with that. I get good mileage out of it, even though I've only got the standard tank. So, you know, I'm not riding to bloody Ayers Rock and back, so it's not too bad. So some of the things I've done is the small mirrors. I got them off eBay. They're only about $11 for the pair. They're just plastic, they break, you know, easily replaced. I got the quad lock, which is, you know, testament to itself. I've got a piece of foam on there, the little vibration dampener on there. It does well. The phone's stuffed anyway, but yeah, it does the job now. New bars on it. I replaced the bars. I got rid of the standard bars that were on it. Oh crap. Got some new grips. I like the green and blue combination. I was going to get pink, you know, because I don't know why not. But yeah, no. These click and rides are pretty good. I mounted them up top. I had a little bracket, mounted them up top so you can see them better. What else? Some steg pegs. I also put some door stops on there so I can get a wider grip. And the door stops only cost me bloody 50 cents from Bunnings. So that was alright. A strap here from Get a Grip. Check them out on Instagram, guys. They're awesome. They made this for me. Only cost me a couple of bucks. So check them out. Click and rides at the rear. The GoPro mount here is obsolete now because I use the 360 camera. The 360 GoPro is bloody amazing. Capture everything in 360 and then put it into the app, and then you can make your videos from there. I'm not talented when it comes to bloody making my own videos, so I use the app all the time, the quick app, and it does what I want it to do. Wr250r muffler, I've had that on there for a couple of years now. I got it on there down in Brisbane. It's amazing, the sound is awesome. Plus what I just did is the air flapper as well, so I can't wait to give it a bit of a burl. Other than that, that's really about it. I've got some bigger mounts on. Yeah, sticker kit, which is just stickers I just put on there just to make the bike look better than normal. Cheers to the guys down at MVDBR. Josh and Nat, check them out on Instagram. They've also got a Facebook page, I think. Yeah, awesome. Well, cheers guys.